It's easy to go overboard when purchasing landscaping tools. They can take up a lot of space and cost a lot of money, but staying focused on the basics can keep your shed or storage area from becoming overcrowded. There's always bigger and better, but buying the best quality tools that your budget will allow and maintaining them can go a long way in getting the most out of your investment. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 10 essential gardening tools. Let's get started. Number 10. Gloves gardening tools. Before you start ripping up pesky weeds or pruning roses, you'll need a pair of gardening gloves to protect your hands. There are many different gloves available, suitable for different jobs and weather conditions, but a good quality multi-purpose pair like these all-seasons gloves by Breyers are ideal for most tasks. Number 9. Secateurs gardening tools. The pruning and tidying of plants is a regular garden task, and a pair of secateurs will become one of your most useful pieces of kit. Garden clippers, a bit like scissors which can be operated with one hand, they are a worthwhile investment and will set you up for seasons to come. We've tried and tested a wide range to identify the best secateurs available, and the Akatsun 103 Bypass secateurs review scored consistently well. Number 8. Hand trowel gardening tools. The essential hand tool trowels are wonderful for transplanting bedding plants and herbs, planting containers, and taking out weeds. Select a broad blade to move more soil or a long, narrow blade to dig up weeds or for rocky soil. The handle should fit comfortably in your hand. Trowels forged from stainless steel, or at least with a stainless steel head, are more durable and will last longer. Schmidt also recommends the Garrett Wade tulip trowel. Its sharp blades cut through stubborn roots with ease, making it ideal for planting bulbs or planting around trees. Number 7. Rake gardening tools. When leaves and debris fall, your sturdy rake is there to whisk them away. Rakes come in a wide variety of styles and sizes, but a great starter is a standard leaf rake. Adjustable rakes do the job of more than one tool, reaching into narrow areas or gathering large piles of leaves. Steel tines are stronger and may be rougher on delicate lawns than plastic tines. Our editors recommend the Gardenrite adjustable garden leaf rake. The rake head expands from 7 to 22 inches, and when stored in the collapsed position, it takes up less room. Number 6. Watering can gardening tools. To keep seedlings and young plants refreshed, a watering can with a rose the sprinkler attachment on the end of the watering spout will distribute water more lightly and evenly. A Haws watering can is a gardening classic, and this model has a 7-liter capacity, as well as a brass rose for a gentle water spray. Number 5. Hose gardening tools. For established plants and beds in containers, using a hose for watering is quicker, easier, and puts far less strain on the back than using a can. We've reviewed a whole range of the best garden hoses and hose spray guns, and the Hoselock Pico Reel is a light and easy kit for a small space. It has good features, comes with a 5-year warranty, and is great value for money. Number 4. Fork gardening tools. A garden fork is just the thing for getting vegetable plots and borders ready for planting. Perfect for getting through stony soil, the back of the fork also breaks down clods ready for raking. This digging fork from Spear & Jackson has polished stainless steel tines and an ergonomic grip, so it's comfortable to use. Number 3. Watering wand gardening tools. Give your plants a gentle rain shower with a water-breaking wand. The extended reach is also helpful to get to out-of-the-way containers, hanging plants, or the back edges of borders. Watering wands come in a variety of lengths, from 10 to 48 inches. Choose an appropriate length for your needs, longer for high-hanging baskets, shorter for tighter spaces. Built-in shut-off valves in the handle conserve water and allow you to adjust the flow. Kitchen gardener and cookbook author Gene Kelly recommends the Dram One Touch Rain Wand. The angled arm allows you to reach under foliage of delicate plants and also reach into hanging baskets. Number 2. Loppers gardening tools. Another cutting tool, loppers are basically long handle pruners used to trim hard-to-reach areas and cut thicker branches. The long handles provide the leverage it takes to cut through branches up to an inch or more in diameter. There are anvil and bypass types, just like pruners. Handles generally range from 16 to 36 inches. Bypass loppers are more precise in cut location than anvil style. Longer handle loppers can be heavy. Know what you'll be cutting and how far you'll need to reach and get the appropriate length. Lightweight aluminum or carbon composite handles can be lighter. Like pruners, keep lopper blades in good condition and sharpen regularly. For anvil-style loppers, our editors recommend the Tabor Tools GG12 Anvil Lopper. It can cut branches up to 2 inches in diameter and is perfect for drier woody growth. The carbon steel blade stays sharp, making cutting easy. Number 1. Pruning shears gardening tools. Hand pruners, also called secateurs, help rein in plants that are getting out of control and taking over. Anvil-style pruners cut with a sharp blade meeting a flat surface, similar to a knife on a board. Bypass pruners cut with a sharp blade passing by a sharp-edged flat surface, more like scissors. Anvil pruners are best for dead wood and can cause crush injuries to fresh green stems and branches. Bypass pruners are better for live plants and green wood. Pruners should fit easily in the palm of your hand. Ratcheting pruners provide increased cutting strength, perfect for anyone with reduced hand strength or arthritis. For cleaner cuts and less injury to plants, pruners should be sharpened regularly. For an anvil-style pruning tool, Haverkamp recommends ratcheting pruners. The increased strength from the ratcheting action makes cutting through thicker or harder branches easier.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.